How do hydrogels relate to a structure that's getting repaired or having repairs taking place? So a question comes up a lot, is it too late when repairs are happening? The short answer is no, it's not, and that's because when you're repairing a structure, you're essentially taking it back to a condition that you're happy with structurally, that the structural engineer is happy with the integrity. And why not put a treatment on there or a protection on there that holds that structure in that condition? So when you spray apply a colloidal silica hydrogel, that stops that corrosion process in its tracks, so it can't corrode any further. It won't reverse it, but it'll hold it in that same state, and so that the condition that you have when the repairs are done is maintained for the next 5, maybe 10, maybe sometimes might be 30 years, depending on the overall age and condition of the structure.
Saving the world, one concrete structure at a time. Markham, adding life to concrete.